This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Rear light bulbs. Open the boot by pressing the boot release button or using the key. Prise out the centre pins, lever out the plastic expansion rivets, then remove the boot rear trim panel. Disconnect the light wiring plug as the panel is withdrawn. Remove the clip to release the boot trim panel from the relevant side. Disconnect any wiring plugs as the panels are withdrawn. Pull the side panel forwards, rotate the relevant bulb holder anti-clockwise and pull it from the light cluster. Pull the capless bulb from the holder. Insert the new capless bulb into the holder and push the bulb holder back into the light cluster. Refit the clip to the side panel. Reconnect the boot light and refit the boot rear trim panel. Close the boot lid.